Before you start, switch off power to the dryer. Using the security key provided with the dryer, remove the one security screw from the bottom center of the dryer. Lift up to remove the dryer from the click and connect wall bracket and place on a soft surface for protection. With the security key, loosen the two cover screws and remove the cover. Turn the filter housing clockwise to unlock and remove the used filter. Insert new filter by aligning the tab in the housing. To replace, align the tabs on the filter housing and turn anti-clockwise until you hear a click. Replace cover and fasten with the two security screws. Click and connect the dryer to the wall bracket and tighten with the center security screw. Reconnect the power and test the operation.